In this video, my mum's making eggless pancakes because I have an egg allergy.
How does it make you feel having an egg allergy?
Sad, left out, angry.
And what's a very difficult day when you can't eat eggs?
Pancake day.
Mommy has made you a delicious, eggless pancake.
Yum! That tastes cracking. Try this recipe.
Right, this recipe really is a doddle. Grab a clean bowl and sieve your flour. You can find all the ingredients and the measurements in the description below. Is it just me, or do you always get those bobbly bits of flour that won't go through the sieve? I normally just get a teaspoon and push them through. And then get your baking powder and do exactly the same. Just gently push it through your sieve. Now start whisking in your milk. Don't add the milk all at once, otherwise it's probably going to go really lumpy. Just gradually keep whisking it and adding and whisking and adding. You're looking at the consistency of the batter to be dripping off the back of a spoon, not running. Now the melted butter can join the party. I melted mine in the microwave for about 30 seconds and then stir that in. Now the batter needs to have a little sleep, so cover it in a tea towel and leave it for about 30 minutes while the baking powder does its magic. Night night. After 30 minutes, have a look at your batter. Oh, I'm chuffed with that. Look at it, dripping off the back of the spoon and lots of air bubbles. It's time to start cooking. Heat your pan to a medium to high heat and then add your oil. The secret to great pancakes is a nice even heat in your pan. And now you need to add about 1/6 of your batter mixture. This recipe makes about 6 decent sized pancakes. Tip your pan gently to make sure the batter covers the entire base. And now you need to leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You can see it's starting to bubble up. If you're unsure whether it's cooked underneath, you can always have a little look, see if it's started to go golden brown. I think that needs a little bit longer. Have another look. Oh yes. So now it's time to toss the pancake. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey! Well done me. If you're not confident on tossing the pancake, you can just flip it over with the spatula. After another couple of minutes, let's have a look if it's cooked on both sides. Yep, that looks absolutely perfect and ready to fill and eat. Serve your pancake with things like citrus fruit and sugar, or maybe some maple syrup or some honey. But we're going to do something different with ours. We're going to flip and fill it. First, spread on some chocolate spread and then fold over. And now we're going to put on some delicious, juicy, fresh strawberries and fold it again. Oh, that's a bit of icing sugar, by the way. Some squirty cream to finish it off. And Bob's your uncle. What do you think, Josh?
Yum! That tastes cracking.
If you enjoyed our video, please subscribe to the channel and you can watch more videos right here, right now.